Skip breakfast.
Are you hungry? Do you want some? I said don't talk to me, and I'm not hungry. Why does my stomach growl? Why? Junie! Talk!
Growling, my hungry stomach is rumbling. Oh, my stomach's empty. There's nothing inside my empty belly.
The small intestine wants food, there's nothing in the stomach. The small intestine wants food, there's nothing but the air. The small intestine wants food, there's nothing in the stomach. The small intestine wants food, there's nothing but the air.
Only the air goes down. Growling. Oh, my stomach's growling. My empty stomach is rumbling. Oh my, I'm so hungry. I'm trying my best to hold my tummy. It's not working.
The small intestine wants food, there's nothing in the stomach. The small intestine wants food, there's nothing but the air. The small intestine wants food, there's nothing in the stomach. The small intestine wants food, there's nothing but the
My growling stomach. Growling. The sound of the air goes down. Growling. My growling.
I got it. Did you get it too, sister? What? I'm busy.
Day 3.
Into my own. I have no friends, no home, and very much of the hunger. Ooh, I have the hunger. Normal food with. You're hungry, Father? Very hungry. So.
All right, stomach. You win. No! No!
Oh, my tummy's telling me something.
Mine too, bro. My digestive fluids also wish to relay the messages.
Shh, quiet. I want to hear what they're saying.
Hey, wait. What's that sound? Oh, yes. The radiate candy deep inside the bowels of the gangrene bag is about to be digested. If you know what I mean.
Is yeah?
All this roaring is making me hungry. Oh boy, food!
Walden is buying some jelly bean soup, cheese swazzle burgers, marshmallow lasagna, doodleberry pie. Wow, I'm getting hungry.
Any land out there?
Nope. Just waves and seagulls. Oh, wait! I think I hear a whale. That was my tummy. I'm getting hungry.
When the sun goes down, are you ready? If you hear a sound, don't be worried and don't be scared. You'll be okay if you're prepared.
I can't believe we're back in these chilly waters again.
It's all in the name of science, Quasi.
Indeed, the creatures of the Arctic zone make some fascinating sounds.
And with the octopod's underwater microphone, we can record them for our collection.
making that sound?
Zery's not budging. How are we gonna get it out of here? We could skip the pie part and just eat the strawberry. Ugh, it'll take me some time to work up an appetite that big.
Stop being a big brother.